MAC HVAC Service and Repair in Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. We also service furnaces, air handlers, air purifiers, humidifiers, thermostats, and ductless air conditioners. We offer free installation quotes on all brands of heating and cooling systems, including Lennox, Carrier, Trane, Goodman, and others, as a local family-owned and run HVAC contractor. Call our 24-hour HVAC repair service for immediate assistance. Are you looking for a HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. Why do you need a HVAC system? Heating, cooling, and air ventilation are all handled by an HVAC system. As a result, the air within the structure can circulate properly. It also aids in adjusting the temperature of the structure to the demands of the region or season. What is the best heating system for a large house? In most cases, a combi boiler is the best option for you and your house. A system or conventional boiler is the ideal solution for bigger properties with many bathrooms that are likely to be used simultaneously. What is your service area for the Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania service office? Our local HVAC repair services have served Bala Cynwyd, Miquon, Roxborough, Shawmont Valley, Belmont Hills, Manayunk, Wynnefield Heights, Belmont Village, Lala, Wissahickon, Lafayette Hill, Oak Hill, Merion Station, Chamounix, Overbrook. Where is your Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania HVAC repair service office located? We are located at 100 Presidential Boulevard number 303, Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania 19004. Our phone number is 610-672-3049. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/presidential-boulevard-bala-cynwyd-HVAC-service.